Thank you for tuning in to Zim News Beat TV.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
Are there any notices
On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Molokele,
on a point of order, Madam Speaker.
If it is in regard with the announcements I have announced here, I am not going to take any point of orders because I am only announcing these announcements on behalf of the Committee on Standing Rules and Orders.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker. On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
May we have order in the House? May we have order?
There was no meeting of, you must not do this thing. There was never a meeting of the SROC. This
point of order, Madam Speaker.
Honorable members.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Molokele, I'm not going to allow you to disrupt the smooth running of this House.
I have a right to be heard. It's a point of order. I have a right to be heard. I will not be intimidated. The standing rules are very clear that a point of order needs to be entertained. And then you will respond after the point of order. On a point of order, Madam Speaker. On a point of order, Madam
I am ruling you out of order, Honorable Molokele.
You cannot make rules. You don't have the authority to make rules. The rules of this parliament are very clear. Any member of parliament has the right to request for a point of order. You don't have the right. I have the right as a parliamentarian to do a point of order. Read the rules. I need to be entertained first. The speaker has to acknowledge my point of order first. Read the standing rules. Hey, I'm waiting to be acknowledged by the speaker. Msadaro, Ndindadaro.
Honorable Molokele, I have already ruled you.
You can't rule me out.
Order.
You can't rule me out. You have not entertained my point of order. You can't rule me out. You have to allow me to say my point of order first. Then you make a judgment. The standing rules are clear. You allow the standing order.
You are the one who is running that party. There is no party. You are the one who is running the party.
Of order. No,
you are the one.
Are there any notices of motion?
Point of order. Point of order, Madam Speaker.
There is a point of order.
Order, Madam Speaker. I am protected by the standing rules of this parliament.
Honorable Chief Whip from the opposition, please may you approach the chair.
Even Chief Whip, this is not going to work. It's not going to work, this thing. You will see. Huh?
Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Point of order.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Molokele, I have already ruled you.
What rules are you using? What rules are you using?
Please,
What
may
standing
you
order are you
leave
using?
the house. May you leave the house, Honorable Molokele.
Allowed to give my point of order. I have to be given my right. I am protected by the standing rules. Honorable parliamentarians, I request you to move out of this house. ZANU-PF remain alone. In Parliament, this is nonsense. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. Walk out. If you respect your...
On a point of order, Madam Speaker. On a point of order, Madam Speaker. On a point of order, Madam Speaker. Please allow you to speak.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker. On a point of order, Madam Speaker.
On a point of order, Madam Speaker. You can't rule out a point of order, Sadia Tauka. Which law are you using? Which standing order are you using? It's enough. Enough is enough. As for enough is enough. Mina vera mpu mila.
Honorable Molokele, leave the house.
I'm not leaving the house. What point of order, what standing rule are you using to leave me, to chase me out of this house? Because you never acknowledge my point of order. You are supposed to listen and then rule. That's how Parliament works.
Are disrupting the smooth running of this house. Please leave the house.
Clerk, please advise her. Advise clerk. Advise you.
Point of order. Point of order, Madam Speaker. Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Hupi. Yo, wapina bapi. Point of order, Point of order, Point of order. Shaka, point of order,
Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Point of order, the point of order. Last week, full stop.
Madam Speaker, point of order.
Point of order, full stop. Yeah, you speak it. Anyway.
Point of order. Madam Speaker, ikodzero, right, ilungelo. It's a right. You don't negotiate a right. How? The Madam Speaker is supposed to rule after I've spoken, not before. It doesn't work like that in this Parliament. Ndakatoimirira inini.
For these and more stories, tune in to Zim News Bit TV with Robert Tafumani.